Hi everyone. We're going to find the value of the discriminant and describe the nature of the roots for p squared plus 12p equals negative 4. Then we're going to solve the equation using the quadratic formula. I'm going to first rewrite this as p squared plus 12p plus 4. I'm just adding 4 to both sides. That way I can find my a is 1, my b is 12, and my c is 4. Now, our discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. So let's substitute our values here. We have 12 squared minus 4 times a times c. So this is going to be 144 minus 16. And 144 minus 16 equals 128. All right, now that we know that this is positive, that means we have two distinct roots. All right, now let's go ahead and solve this. So we're going to use the quadratic formula again. Our a is 1, our b is 12, and our c is 4. So we have x equals negative b. Since b is positive, now it's going to be negative. Plus or minus square root of 128. And then all divided by 2 times 1 is just 2. Now the square root of 28 can be written as 64 times 2. And square root of 64 is 8. So I can write this as 8 square root of 2. So let's do that. We have x equals negative 12, and I'm going to put this 2 underneath here, plus or minus 8 square root of 2 divided by 2. All right. Now, this means it's x equals negative 6. All right, plus or minus 4 square root of 2. So, that's your final answer. You can split it up if you want. But usually math people like to just leave it very simple like this. That means your solution is negative 6 plus 4 square root of 2. Or, remember this means or, plus or minus negative 6 minus 4 square root of 2. And that's it. Thank you. These are our two real roots. Bye-bye.